Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 3, and in this video I will be explain problem 8.4 and types of redox reaction, and both topic related from chapter number 8 redox reaction. So let I start. Problem 8.4. Justify that the reaction 2Cu2O Cu2S gives 6Cu solid plus SO2 gas is a redox reaction. Identify the species oxidized and reduced which act as an oxidant and which act as reductant. So you already known about which is the oxidant and reductant. Here two terms. First, oxidant. So those reagent which carry on oxidation, so it is known as oxidant, and those reagent which responsible for reduction, so it is known as reductant. And whenever oxidation and reduction both occurs in reaction, so it is known as redox reaction. So here identify the species oxidized, that is means which have oxidized and which have reduced. So see this reaction 2Cu2O plus Cu2S convert into the 6CuSO2 gas. So first we have to assign oxidation number. Here you see oxygen -2. So on the basis of -2 valency, copper +1. Then copper plus sulfur -2. So copper here +1. Copper neutral way single individual, so 0 charge. And SO2 oxygen -2. So according to the -2 sulfur have +4. And in the last video I already explained how to find oxidation number. So I already explained. Then after here you see oxidation number, you see copper +1 and then in product copper 0. So that is means copper +1. First you see number line in between 0 and then +1 +2 and left hand side -1 and -2. Whenever electron loss, so it convert into the +1 valency, and then gaining electron, so going to the left hand side minus valency. So here you see +1 to 0, +1 to 0, that is means gaining electron, and electron gain it is means reduction. So copper is reduced +1 to 0. Then here you see sulfur -2 and in product +4. Here you see -4 to +4 going to the left to right. So that is means electron loss, and electron loss it is known as oxidation. So sulfur oxidized into -2 to 0, -2 to +4. So this reaction is a redox because oxidation and reduction both occurs. So Cu2O help sulfur in copper sulfide to increase its oxidation number minus oxidation number. So copper first is oxidant, and sulfur of copper sulfide helps copper both in Cu2S itself and copper Cu2O to decrease its oxidation number. So sulfur of Cu2S is reductant. So this is carry for oxidation and this is carry for reduction. So it is reductant and Cu2S copper is oxidant, and here to sulfur it is reductant. Then next question, types of redox reaction. So types of reaction, the redox reaction, there are 4 types. First is combination, second decomposition, third is displacement, and fourth is disproportionation. And displacement also divide into 2 parts, metal displacement and non-metal displacement. First is combination reaction. So combination reaction, that is means different elements combined and to give one product. So it may be denoted by like A plus B convert into the C. So combination reaction are those where different elements combine to give a product. So it is known as combination reaction. And in textbook only 3 example given. So you learn your choice. So like C, carbon solid plus oxygen convert into the CO2 gas. That is means carbon react with oxygen, two types of different elements convert into the product CO2 gas. Magnesium react with nitrogen, so it is formed magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Methane CH4 react with oxygen, so gives CO2 carbon dioxide and water. So there are 3 types of reaction given in your textbook. So but you see in redox reaction chapter you write oxidation number. It is necessary to you write upside of the element, like you are see carbon is neutral base, so 0 its oxidation number, oxygen single, so 0, CO2, so here oxygen -2, so according to the -2 carbon have +4. Here you see X plus -2 oxygen, so multiply 2, so X is equal to -4 going to right side, so +4 of carbon. But it is necessary to indicate denoted oxidation number of each element. When oxygen is involved in combination reaction, so it is known as combustion reaction. So that is means if any oxygen attached, so it is considered as a combustion reaction. Then second number, decomposition reaction. So this reaction are the opposite of the combination reaction. In combination reaction, two different elements combine and to give product. And in decomposition, one reactant break down into a 2 or more component. At least one of which must be the elemental state. So it is the necessary. So this reaction are the opposite of the combination reaction. Decomposition reaction leads to the breakdown of a compound into 2 or more component, at least one of the which must be in the elemental state. So see first example, like 2H2O liquid convert into the by heating hydrogen gas and O2 gas. So see 2 elemental state. Here oxidation number we have to write oxygen -2, so according to the -2 hydrogen have +1. Elemental state, so 0, elemental state, so 0. Second example, NaH, 2NaH solid convert into the sodium and hydrogen. So one compound break down into one or two components, and at least one must be in the elemental state. Next example, like 2KClO3 heating and convert into the 2KCl solid plus 3O2 gas. So here you see my oxygen -2 and potassium +1. So both put the value of the oxidation number of these element and then find the value of oxidation number of Cl. So comes +5. Here Cl -1, so K +1. Oxygen elemental state, so 0. So these 3 example given into your textbook. So your choice which example you learn. Most important note related from decomposition reaction and combination reaction, there is no change in the oxidation number of hydrogen in methane under combination reaction. And second, decomposition reaction, like see potassium in potassium chlorate, so same oxidation number, so no change. See +1 here and here +1. So in combination reaction in methane example, hydrogen value oxidation number changed, no change. And here in this reaction potassium chlorate convert into the potassium chloride and oxygen, here also no change in oxidation number of potassium. Then third, all decomposition reactions are not redox reaction, because one component convert into the decompose into the two or more components. But here you see not a redox reaction. That is means redox reaction, oxidation number increase one side and second other side decrease. So like see, calcium carbonate solid convert into the calcium oxide and CO2. So this is the decomposition reaction, decompose into the calcium oxide and CO2. But here you see not a redox reaction. Reason here plus 2 and in product calcium is also plus 2. Carbon plus 4, so in product also carbon plus 4. Oxygen minus 2, so in product also minus 2. So here no change in the oxidation number. So that is means all decomposition reaction are not redox reaction. Then third is displacement reaction. So those reaction in which an atom ion in a compound is replaced by an ion and atom of another element. So it is known as displacement reaction. Here you see like X plus YZ. So convert into this X react with Z and then Y replace. So one ion and atom in a compound is replaced by ion and atom of another element. So it is known as displacement reaction. It have two categories. First is metal displacement and second is non-metal displacement. So two categories included in displacement reaction. So first we have to discuss here metal displacement reaction. Metal displacement reaction, that is means a metal in a compound can be displaced by another metal in the uncombined state. So another metal, so it must have more electropositive and also uncombined state. So it is known as metal displacement reaction. So metal displace. So these reaction known as metal displacement reaction, and these reaction find many applications in metallurgical process. Metallurgical process, that is means extraction and purification. So in which pure metals are obtained from their compounds in ores. So this example of metal displacement reaction, because pure metal we have to find from ore. So it is a consider in the metal displacement reaction. So the and metal displacement reaction also according to the series wise metal displace. And which series? See, the series in which elements are arranged in order of their electrode potentials. So electrode potential so is known as EMF, electromotive force, otherwise we have to say electromotive series, otherwise we have to say electrochemical series. So according to the electrode potential, elements are arranged in the series and this series are known EMF series, and EMF series serves as a guide to predict such reaction. Like see example, copper sulfate react with zinc. So convert into the copper and ZnSO4. So see here metal Zn and copper sulfate copper. So copper displaced by zinc. Otherwise we have to say zinc displace of copper. So zinc sulfate form and copper displace. So metal displace. Then V2O5 plus 5Ca. So convert into the vanadium and calcium oxide. So vanadium pentaoxide, vanadium displaced by calcium. Here you see valence oxidation number, oxygen minus 2, copper plus 2. So according to the oxidation number, sulfur have plus 4. Elemental state 0. Elemental state 0. Here also same, zinc sulfate, oxygen minus 2, zinc plus 2. So sulfur plus 4. Then vanadium pentaoxide, oxygen minus 2. So on the basis of oxygen minus 2, vanadium plus 5. Elemental state 0, vanadium elemental state 0, calcium plus 2, oxygen minus 2. Then third example, titanium chloride react with magnesium. So convert into the titanium and magnesium chloride. So magnesium elemental state and displace of titanium. So titanium displaced from magnesium. So here you see. Then Cr2O3 plus react with aluminium. So aluminium react with oxygen. So convert into the aluminium oxide, Al2O. O3. So chromium displays. So in each case, the reducing metal better reducing agent than the one that is being reduced, which eventually shows more capability to lose electrons as compared to the one that is reduced. That is means depend on reducing agent like. So here you see +2 and given product, in product copper is 0. So +2 to 0, that is means gaining of electrons, so reduction. Here you see vanadium +5 and in product 0, so gaining of electrons, so that is means reduction. So here in each case the reducing metal, so is better reducing agent. Here titanium chloride, titanium +4 and in product 0, so gaining electron. Fourth reaction +3 convert into the 0, so chromium also gaining of electrons. So reducing agent and then the one that is being reduced and eventually shows more capability to lose electron as compared to the one that is reduced. So chromium gaining of electron. And then other metal oxidized. So metal displacement reaction, again I say its definition. So those reaction in which one metal displaces by another more electropositive metal in the uncombined state. So this reaction known as metal displacement reaction. So next topic I will be explain in next video. Thank you so much.